This is here with our first set of range tests for the Air 2S. We had
Home
just
point
picked this
updated.
one up. Took like 2 months to get here. Once it finally got here, which is now, obviously, this was the first long distance test, probably about the third flight on this drone. As you see in the first one, we kind of take it easy. The next one, we really push it. So we're taking off right now from like the east side of Windsor in the Walmart parking lot, and you see we're going to go up to one of the main roads in Windsor that goes east to west. That is Tecumseh Road, and we're heading west. We got a strong headwind coming at us, and I was more or less trying to see what the wind was how the wind was gonna react with this drone, and it was incredible. It was not even slowed down. Because there are 2 range tests in this video compiled into one, I did speed up the clips for just the bulk of the middle of the flight, because nobody really cares. We just want to see how far we get, right? So this is the Air 2S with the RCN1. Here we come up on Central Avenue, if we got any Windsorites watching. It's some pretty good distance, especially for the first time I've had this drone further than eyesight. But yeah, we're going to turn around and head back here at 10,000 and go fly the next battery. Oh yeah, it was a very balmy 33 too, and some pretty strong winds, but it didn't seem to affect the battery life much, I guess, but I also haven't flown it in the summertime to know what the battery life would be like then. Just showing you the direction the wind's coming, so now we're flying back with the wind.
You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier than fighting, but I know I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier than fighting, but I know you're so inside.
Nope, that's definitely not how that's supposed to be.
The agony, stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no, not now.
Alright, and here we go into the next flight. This one we're gonna push it a few thousand more feet.
Take off.
To understand you better, baby, tonight. You're struggling to see what I'm.
Yeah, just still figuring out the software, so I corrupted the file.
Did I take a bullet for you? It's easier to let go, but I won't. I need you here, need you right now. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier to let go, but I won't. You're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'll turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no, not now. Come on, help me, I say na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no, not now. I've been trying to
Return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Keep